Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. Well, I'm super duper excited to be introducing to you today Kimberly from Daily Dose of Hoppiness. She has a big following on Instagram. She's ridiculously talented and it's an absolute honor to have her on our team. She's going to fit really well with us. She's already done 3 design team projects on her brand new YouTube channel, and they are lovely and inspiring. And yeah, so we're just super excited. One of the ways that I wanted to help her and her new channel out was to do a giveaway. So we have, where's my paper? Right here. For the next 6 days, I believe, September 26th, so I'm just a couple days late on advertising this here on YouTube, we are doing a giveaway. $50 in free digitals will be given to someone on the 26th. And you enter by subscribing to Kimberly's YouTube channel, giving her recent giveaway video a like, and then commenting on her giveaway video. We will announce the winner both on her YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel, and also over in the Fans of the Junk Journal Studio Facebook group. So be sure to pop back over to one of our channels or over on Facebook to see if you are the winner. I have a lovely little note here that Kimberly has written for us. I asked her for just a little bit of her story about her creative journey and how she found junk journals. And I'm super excited because she loves putting together 3D projects and then also just putting together unconventional projects. So along with junk journals, she also does a lot of other really super cool projects. So it's going to be really fun to see all the cool things she does with the Junk Journal Studio's digitals. So yeah, I really hope that you'll participate and hop over to her new YouTube channel, help her out, give her a like, subscribe, comment on her, on her giveaway video, and then pop back on the 26th to see if you are the lucky winner. All of the links that you will need to Kimberly's Instagram account. She posts photos there every single day. I don't know how she does it, but they are amazing. So be sure to pop over and give her Instagram a following. And then also her new YouTube channel will be linked below as well, along with the Junk Journal Studios Etsy shop and the fans Facebook group. You will find the link for that there as well. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you participate and we'll talk again soon. Bye.